Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to tape up an iPhone or any phone to spray paint it properly. For this project you will need sandpaper, a phone, an X-Acto knife, and tape, and you can use any cleaners or dust absorbers. I just happen to have these around the house. So the first step in this project is to take your dust absorber. This is literally just like a tape or sticker. It's just, I had this because I got a new screen protector. So you're just going to take it and you're just going to go along the phone and get off any remaining dust. Now that the phone is all cleaned up, we can start taping. The next step is using our X-Acto knife, and be careful because they are very sharp. And I'm creasing on the line that I don't want any spray paint to go past, which is this line that separates the screen. I hope you are satisfied. As you see, I've done the long sides here and there. So now I just have to do the corners and the short sides. So I'm going to do that off camera. So see you when that's done. I just finished all the sides. As you can see, it looks like a sharp line. This is exactly what you want it to look like, because if it's not sharp lines, the spray paint has the possibility of leaking. So after you tape, and if it does look this like exact, you need this because the spray paint could leak if it's not. So then you're gonna do these like ports here, and you're gonna have to do the camera. So I'll show you how to do those. So to do the charger, all you're gonna do is just stick in a charger and put it with tape. It's super simple, and I'll show you how. You're literally just gonna stick the charger into the port and then tape it. Now, both the inputs are covered. Okay, so for the phone, when you're spray painting, you don't want to spray paint in big blobs. You actually want to spray paint in sideward motions. You want to have thin coats and then more thin coats after it dries. So that's what it should look like. And if you do it like that, it shouldn't go up the speaker. It just shouldn't go up there if you do those thin coats. So now I'm going to show you how to tape up the camera and flashlight. For the camera, some people actually use clay, although I'm going to use tape. As you see, it worked on the camera. I mean, it's not as stable as here, although it's the same, I did this on the iPhone 11, and the same with the speaker. If you just spray these upward motions and thin coats, it won't get in the speaker, it won't go through the camera, unless you spray straight into the speaker, straight towards the camera. So now I'm going to show you how to tape up the flashlight. Okay, so now you can see everything's done. Now the only thing left to do is sandpaper. In all the videos I've watched, everyone's just like sandpaper, but no, you need to grind down the phone. You need a sandpaper for a long time. In the custom iPhone 11 video, I had ended up sandpapering too little and the spray paint did not stick. I didn't show this on video, but I had to redo the entire spray painting. iPhone basically doesn't want you to customize their phone, so you need to grind down their finish. I mean like 5 minutes of just straight sandpapering super well. If you do not do this step, you will not be able to customize the phone because the spray paint will not stick. If you followed all these instructions, your phone is pretty much ready to be customized, but do it at your own risk. If you thought this video was helpful, please subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and turn post notifications on. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. If you think I should customize this phone, comment down below.